Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. A little digital alarm clock. Just the basic alarm clock is what I wanted, so I can see the time and set an alarm if I need to. Usually, mostly just see the time. But let's check this out and I'll show you guys how it looks and how it works. Let's get out everything out of the box. Okay, box is empty. We have a manual. And it kind of tells you how to set the time and stuff. If you really need this information, you can probably pause it and zoom in, as well as the back. Okay, let's get going. Let's check this out. Okay, yeah, it looks really nice. So look at this. This is what it looks like here. It's got kind of a wood finish, although plastic, but it's got this film on the front. If you guys like this satisfying kind of stuff, maybe. It didn't make a lot of noise, but it's nice and shiny. So you got a big snooze button here, volume buttons there, dimmer. You can charge stuff with it, which is nice. So you can charge output 5 volts. So you can have a USB connection. Setting the alarm and clock, I guess, are with all those buttons there, and snooze on the top. So it looks nice. It even looks nice on the back. But okay, so let's see what we got here. We have a wire. So it's going to connect to USB. So if you had 2 of these, you could connect it to itself. But then here's another one of these. This is where it goes here, input 5 volts. And it does come with one of the little nugget charging blocks here. So let me plug this in here, and I will plug it in to the wall. I have an outlet over here behind this tree. Okay, I am plugged in, and okay, there, now it says it's 8 p.m. So let's see if we want to change this here. So we can do time set. We can hold it down for 2 seconds, it says. And now what time is it here? It's 4:07. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4:07. There we go. How easy was that? And then we can change our brightness. Can you guys see that on the video? I think you can. So at night I could turn it way down or leave it way up, yeah, during the day. And then I have my volume for my alarm is over here. It's got a little battery in there, so I'm guessing if I unplug it and then plug it back in again, it's going to remember the time. Let's see if it does. No, it didn't. Maybe I needed to set it or something. Let's see. Or maybe there's not one in there right now. Let's see. Maybe it requires a battery. Yeah, it says. I don't know. There's one in there, CR2032. I think the battery's just dead. It says the battery's supposed to do what I said it does, but it's not, so it might need to be replaced. So that you just have to stick another CR2032 battery in there for it to work. So those, thankfully, are super inexpensive and easy to get. So you can see it right. There's the memory function. So be sure to get another battery if you need it. Don't know how long this was sitting in the warehouse, but I like it, so it looks nice. It's going to look good on the desk. It's got little rubber feet, so it's not going to scratch up my desk, and it's nice and lightweight, and I'll be able to run the wire. It's nice thin wire. I can run the wire behind everything and have my clock. So there we go. So really cool, and I'll keep it on 12-hour mode because I'm in the US, but I like it. So seems good to me. Thumbs up. Nice little clock.